Hey you guys, how is everybody doing? Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on here to reflect on this last 2 weeks. Today is the 14th day of my water fast, my 2-week water fast, and I get to refeed tomorrow. I am so looking forward to it. So I basically just want, like I said, I want to come on here just to talk a little bit about the last 14 days or 13 days, I should say. Everything's been going well. No really bad side effects. The only thing is, the saliva, the thickness of the saliva, it's really bad. Of course, your bad breath. So when I come around people, I'm like, get back. Get back. But other than that, it's been fine. My energy is a little low. So whenever I'm doing certain tasks, I just take my time. It takes me a little longer to do things. So just take your time and rest. Like yesterday, I cut my veggies for the upcoming week, and I'm telling you, it really tired me out. Because standing and you chopping, you wash them and you chopping. So basically, I would just cut a few and then just go sit down and rest. And I'll show you in this video my veggies and my fruit that I chopped for the week. So if you didn't know, I plan to do the next 2 weeks eating raw. Like I said before, you guys, I don't know. I think that would probably be harder than doing the water fast. Water fasting is easy for me. Eating raw is easy. I guess it can be easy, but I like to eat cooked vegetables, different things I like to eat, like the stir fries and things of that nature. But we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I might not go the whole 2 weeks. That's the goal. But if I break after 7 days, I'm gonna definitely do 7 days because I planned it for 7 days. If I break, I will do cooked vegetables. And I also thought about doing the cabbage soup diet. So we'll see. But I just wanted to come back on here and let you know how I was doing. Everything's going fine. And probably in the next video, of course, this will post tomorrow. So I won't have my weigh-in, but I will share my total weight loss for the whole 2 weeks. But I hope you guys have a great weekend. Well, it's already Sunday, so the weekend's almost gone. So I should say, have a great week. Be careful out there. Be safe out there. And I'm going to show you the clips of my veggie and fruits. But know that I did not cut up my lettuce yet because I didn't want my, lettuce has a tendency of browning. So I'll probably cut that up later today so I have it for my first meal. I plan to break my fast with watermelon, and for the salt, I always do pickles, dill pickles, because as you know, I've only did straight water, only water for 14 days, so I don't have any minerals, no electrolytes, no anything. So that's why I'll be eating pickles also, because that'll help get the salt in my body. All right, you guys, the next clips you'll see is the veggies and fruit. You guys be safe out there and have a good week. Okay, you guys, this is my veggie prep for the week. I have some broccoli. I got my onions, red onions, bell peppers, cucumbers and tomatoes, carrots and mushrooms, and multicolor peppers. And over here, these are store-bought, but these are pickled red onions, spicy orange strips, and veggie slaw. Now, I've never had this veggie slaw. We're going to try it. As well as I've never had the spicy onions. Of course, I've had pickled red onions, but I've never had this brand. And you guys, in the back here, I pickled some red onions. So that's my first time doing it, so we're going to see. I just finished it, and the jars are extremely hot, so I'll wait before I put them in the fridge. So I'll let you know how those are. So this is what I'll be eating all next week when I break my fast. Okay, you guys, this is my fruit prep that I have for next week. I have some strawberries, blackberries, and grapes. I didn't put many grapes in there because the last time I came off a fast, grapes were too sweet. So I don't know how they'll taste this time. So I just want to put a few in there. So there you have it. That's my fruit.